Welcome to NIOS. Today we will be exploring the world of culture and heritage. In our chapter 1, Culture and Introduction, we have all grown up hearing the word culture. In fact, we are all part of a culture. Therefore, it is very important for us to understand what is the term culture. Culture is a way of life which includes the food we eat, the music we listen, the clothes we wear, the language which we communicate, etc. Have you ever thought, why do we have different food habits and ways of dressing and different ways of communication? Dear learners, this is because culture varies from country to country and region to region. We can see the differences in our surroundings itself. Is it not, dear learners? You may have a different culture at your home than that of your friend. Now, what is culture? Culture is derived from the Latin word cult or cults. There are three meanings of these terms cult and cults. Tingling or cultivation, refining, worship. Culture can also be equated with the word Sanskriti. Have you ever come across this word in your books? Dear learners, Sanskriti is the Sanskrit word for culture. When different people speak in different languages, these different languages becomes their Sanskrit, their culture. Now learners, it is important to know that the Sanskriti comes from the root Kri, which means to do in English. So, if I am doing something, let's say by learning a particular kind of music, for example, Thumri of Rajasthan, I am learning a part of Sanskriti of Rajasthan in the sense then learners Culture or Sanskriti is an expression of what we do and think. But culture is not everything that we do. That's a point we should not, dear learners. When we refine things that we do, that is what makes culture. By refine, we means when we improve our things that we are doing, it becomes culture. Therefore, culture is refined version of what we do. Dear learners, in the center of culture is human. You, me, and everyone. It is the human made surrounding. And as we see around us, there are both material and non material things. Dear learners, tell what material and non material things are. The material things are something that we can touch and see, for example, food, clothes, and things that are used in the house. And non material things are those which we cannot see but can only feel like beliefs and thoughts. Let us see it with an example, dear learners. When you pray to a particular god, the praying become you non-material things, and the things that you use to pray with are the material things. Even though, dear learners, culture differs from place to place and from nation to nation. There are certain points which are common to all cultures in the world. Culture is shared by a group of people. Dear learners, only when a group of people do common things, it becomes culture. It is also always changing. This is because we carry culture from our grandmothers and grandfathers, and also add or minus our own thoughts and actions. For more examples, our grandparents have also celebrated Christmas around a Christmas tree. You also have. The Christmas tree is the cultural object However, the decoration may change from your grandparents to you. That can be regarded as the change in culture. When we behave in a proper social way, it is also culture. A cultured person will not throw garbage on the road. So, what we have learned in this discussion is that culture is a refined version of what we do. Culture varies from country to country and nation to nation. Culture consists both material and non-material things. Culture has certain common points which do not differ. Dear learners, I hope you have enjoyed learning about culture as much as I did. Until next time, take care and happy learning. If you have any query, you may send us email at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. Also, for more information, you can visit our website at www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.